how can he create a very general system that can deploy different types of algorithms? And so from the side of the data scientist, there are libraries out there that are helping data scientists to do this kind of things. So one of those things is called MLflow. And MLflow is a very interesting project uh, from the people at Databricks. And with MLflow, you can actually deploy H2O, MLlib, deep learning, like deep neural nets from TensorFlow. You can deploy scikit-learn models. You can do all of those different things. And yeah, the name's MLflow. And so I think that is one of the key frameworks we as data scientists are using to help the people in the data engineering world. Because and you may correct me here if I'm wrong, Andreas, but there is a problem when we give so much freedom to data scientists. Because what if they use a very weird library to or they create their own algorithm or their own systems? I mean, how from your side can you take all of these different and huge different types of things and get them into a model, like into an actual deployable model?
Mm. Yeah, that's always something that you need to discuss is that the data scientist has some uh, he should have some freedom. I mean, you need some freedom to create stuff, but in the end, the data scientist needs to be aware of what are the options to deploy this. You cannot in a production environment you cannot set up all the time new tools just because a data scientist has a good idea and he wants to use a different server.
Yeah.
That's that's not going to happen. Like that's very impractical, and so you always need to talk with each other and figure out a good way of of coming to an agreement. I would say it's not impossible to set something up for data scientists who want to do uh, some special stuff, but you usually need to think about the big picture, and you don't want to create 10 systems and one of them is only used by one of the guys.
Yeah,
That
of
that's
course.
not what you want, because then it gets into a huge mess, you know. And i-
Cool.
it's always also hard for making the deployment then secure and so on.